In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python 3.13.0 on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a budding developer or simply want to update your programming tools, installing Python is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it with ease. No complicated jargon, just simple steps. First, open up your web browser, most likely Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and head to Google. In the search bar, simply enter Python. You're looking for the official Python website, which typically shows up as the top result, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you land on the Python homepage, you'll want to navigate to the Download section. Hover over the Downloads tab, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see several versions listed, but for this tutorial, we're interested in Python 3.13.0. Click on it to begin the download. After your download has finished, locate the downloaded file, typically named Python 3.1.3.0.exe, in your Downloads folder. Double-click on this file to run it. Now, this part is crucial. Before proceeding with the installation, make sure you check the options that say Use Admin Privileges and Add Python to Path. These options ensure that you can use Python from the command line and that it will run smoothly on your system with the necessary permissions. Next up, you're going to see an option for a Customize installation. Click on this and check all the boxes presented. This customization will install all the components that might be useful to you down the road, so you won't have to repeat these steps later if you need additional features. Once you've checked everything, click Next. Following this, you'll see the option to Install Python 3.1 for all users. Checking this box means Python will be available for every account on your computer. Perfect if multiple users might need access to Python in different user sessions. Now, hit Install. The installation process will begin, and you might be prompted by the system to confirm admin access. Just follow the on-screen prompts as they appear to progress through the installation. Remember, the duration depends on your system's specifications, but it shouldn't take too long. Once the installation completes, you might see a Setup Successful message. If you do, it means Python 3.1.3.0 is ready to use on your Windows 11 machine. To verify, just open Command Prompt or PowerShell and type in Python to check if the installation was successful. That's it. You've got Python installed. Thanks for watching and happy coding. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.